This is number 6 through 14 on the study guide. So what we've been given are a couple of central angles here in the circle. What I see right off the bat is that this line and this line create vertical angles, and we know vertical angles are always going to be congruent, so that also has to be 42 degrees. I also see a diameter here, so that means that this whole section here has to be 180. So if I take the 180 and I subtract the 64 and the 42, what I'm left with is 74 degrees for this little piece right here. And now I have just one section left, and again, notice that this right here is a diameter. So if I take the 180 and subtract 42, what I'm left with for this larger section is 138 degrees. So now I have all the central angles I need so I can start answering these questions. So when it asks for PQ, I know that that measure is going to be 42 degrees. When it asks for ST, I know that that one's got to be 74 degrees. When it asks for TPS, that's everything but this 74. Probably the fastest way would be to take 360 minus 74, which leaves me with 286 degrees. However, you could also have done, if you're going T to P to S, you could have done 64 plus 42 plus 138 plus 42. All right, it asks for RT, so that would be these two arcs. So we're going to add them together. 42 plus 74 gives me 116 degrees. I'm asked to find from R to Q to S. So that's everything but this 42. So if I take 360 minus that 42 I don't want, what I'm left with is 318 degrees. I'm asked to find from Q to R. Well, I know that one is 138 degrees. I'm asked to find from P, Q, and then to S. So that's going to be this 180, or in other words, 42 plus 138 plus the 42 is going to give me 222 degrees. I'm asked to find from T, Q, R. So that's these three right here. So let's do 64 plus 42 plus 138, and that gives me 244 degrees. And finally, I'm asked to find PS, which is this minor arc here because they only use two letters. So from PS, that would be 64 plus 74, which would be a total of 138 degrees.